So the product page is the most important page of your Shopify store. It's where your customers decide to buy from you. And in this video, we're going to cover 4 things that you can take from Alo Yoga that has the perfect Shopify product page and apply to your store in order to maximize your sales and your returns on Facebook ads. The first thing that we're going to cover here is how they are reducing the decision fatigue when their customers are deciding to buy from them. So what I actually mean by that. So when your visitor land on your product page, and in case you have too many variants, too many colors or sizes or whatever, they can get into the state of mind which is often called analysis paralysis. So in this state of mind, if you have too many variants or colors, they're just unsure which one to choose from because they fear that they will choose the wrong one and regret buying from you after they have received your product. So this is very important thing, because if your visitors fear to buy your product so that they will regret it later, in the end they will just not buy at all and they will just leave your product page. So how is Alo Yoga solving that problem so that they're reducing that decision fatigue and their visitor proceed with placing the order? So in this case, on this product, you can see they have many variants, they have many colors, but the thing that is helping their visitors reduce that decision fatigue are these labels just below each of the variants. So we have the variants that says that this one is the best seller, then this one is also the best seller, this is the new one. And by doing this, they're kind of incorporating the social proof on their product page so that the new visitors can easily see what other people have chosen, and therefore they will feel less that they have chosen the wrong variant. Because if other people have bought this one, for example, there's a very good chance that they won't regret it. This is what other people have bought, and therefore they will feel more confident proceeding with placing the order. This is how they're reducing the decision fatigue so that the visitor don't have to worry about choosing the wrong one, and it just makes that selection process much more easier so that they can proceed with placing the order. So if you have more variants and you don't want to make your visitors enter that analysis paralysis, one of the best way to do so is to incorporate the social proof to show them what other people have chosen, and therefore they will make the decision to buy from you much more easily. So this is the first thing that is very important. Then the next thing that you can take from Alo Yoga and apply to your Shopify product page is how they are having 100% clarity on the sizes of their product. And this is very important, especially if you're selling the apparel. So when you're on their product page and you scroll a little bit down, I often see e-commerce stores that are selling the apparel or similar product that they don't have the size guide on their product page. If you don't have the size guide on your product page, first of all, your visitors will not buy from you because they don't know what is the right for them. And even those who buy from you, in the end, they will return the product because they have chosen the wrong size. So if you have the apparel store, you need to have 100% clarity on the sizes of your apparel so that your visitors can easily understand what is the size that they should choose. But what I wanted to show you is this here, and this is something that lately a lot of the e-commerce brands have started doing this, and I also like this whenever I want to buy some apparel because it shows what is the height of the model and what size is she wearing in this example. So this really helps to see how is the fit of this apparel, and it helps the visitor understand if the fit is too loose or whatever. And for that reason, it will bring more clarity to your visitors when they want to choose the right size for them. Now, of course, because they're a highly successful brand, they know the importance of this and they're not stopping there. Another thing that is helping their customers with the sizing is this here. When you click on the review summary and you have this pop-up, this helps their visitors understand how the other customers have found the fitting of this apparel. So if it's more on the runs small end or runs large. So this is once again helping their visitors understand what is the right size for them so that more of them buy and less of them return the product back to them. So we have one client in the apparel niche, and but just increasing the clarity that they have on their product page when it comes to the sizing and stuff, it has significantly increased their conversion rate. So they are profiting more from the Facebook ads. They have the higher conversion rate, which just makes their Facebook ads more effective so that they can scale much more easily. So this is why the clarity is very important when it comes to your product pages. And by the way, if you have the Shopify store and you struggle to scale your Facebook ads, you can reach out to me in the link in the description and I'll give you advices for your specific case, what you can do in order to maximize your Facebook ads results. Then the third thing that we're going to cover here is how they're giving the gifts over the certain threshold, which is increasing their conversion rate and increasing their average order value. So what is the average cart size of your customers when they buy from you? And to demonstrate you this, I will add this product to the cart so you can see what I mean. So let's say we want the L size, we add it to the bag like this. Now we're in this part, and this is also, by the way, a great way to increase that average order value when you have these cross sells in your cart. So let's say we just want to go and view the bag, so what we have added. At the top, you can see they have this label which says a free gift for you, and then they have the product just below it that their visitors can receive if they spend only $120 more with them. So it's not that small amount. I would suggest you to go with a lower threshold. So let's say we add one more of this to the cart, and now we have this message that says we have received this free gift. And when you have the free gift, you feel like you've gotten something from this brand and that you kind of feel the obligation to give back to them, and more customers because of that feeling will proceed with placing the order, which will increase the conversion rate and the average order value. So this is automatically added to the cart. As you can see, it's a relatively low cost product. And if you consider trying some free gift, I highly suggest you to make something that is a low cost for you, but that has a high perceived value for your customers. So when they see it, they feel like they're getting something big, but it doesn't really cost a lot to you, so that it makes the economical sense for your business. So then you can proceed with placing the order. You have gotten the free product, and more people will of course proceed with it. And the next thing that is the most important thing on their Shopify store that will increase their conversion rate, their retention rate, and their referral rate, so how many customers are recommending their products, is the thing that is called the Oreylo access, which is the loyalty reward. So let's see how it looks like. So when we are on their product page, and especially if you're on the mobile, they have this part pretty much emphasized at the top of the product page. So this is something that the visitors first see when they land on the product page. We have this message which says get rewards with Oreylo access. So what you can do, you can just click on this sign up and it will get you to another page. And when you're on desktop, you can just click on this sign in to get rewards. And when you click on it, you will get this pop-up, which is very well optimized. Now, a lot of brands that I have been auditing, they have this sign up form, but what they actually lack is showing their visitor what is the benefit of them signing up. So if you have only this sign up form without this part at the top, your conversion rate on this part will be way lower, because people don't really understand why they should do it. Why should they create the account? Why should they enter all these details? Because it's boring to enter all these details. And what they're doing very well is that they're stating at the top what their visitors will get if they proceed with signing up. So at the top, we have the benefits of signing up. You have the special birthday gift, you have the first dibs on new drops, and you have points on every purchase. So when you sign up and get to the main page, this is what you see. This is the page for that loyalty program where you can unlock exclusive experiences, gifts, earn points on every purchase, and so on. So the first thing that you can see here are the tiers that you can unlock when you gain more and more points. So at this point, you can see that the highest tier is the one with 100 points, which is called the all access, which is one creative way to call the highest tier, right? Because you get all the access. Then right below it, you have how it works. And once again, you see how these brands are optimizing for the clarity, which is the most important part. It really doesn't matter a lot if your customers sign up, but they don't understand how your loyalty program works. So they're straight up making their customer understand how this loyalty program works so that they can use it. They still haven't presented the rewards, but they want to make their customers understand how this thing works. So after that, we have the rewards, and you can see you can slide between this and see what are the rewards that you can unlock for these points that you get. And when you unlock this, you will get this button unlocked where you can just like get this product. You can just add them to the cart and order them completely for free, which is a cool thing. Then below it, we have members only benefits, and you have the breakdown of different tiers. What are the benefits that you're getting? And you can see just right here that the next tier is getting the free 2-day shipping, which is huge. Every time you order, you will save on free shipping, and you will get the fast shipping, which is what makes their second tier enticing so that their customers want to achieve it. And below it, we have the message about the birthday. Then we have the FAQs here, which are just bringing more clarity on how the program works. So when you have a loyalty program like this, your customers, first of all, will buy more from you, because once they buy, they will feel like they have invested in some long-term benefit. They know that they will unlock some rewards. They know that they will get these benefits. So it will automatically increase the repeat purchase rate, how many of them come back to your store and buy from you. Second of all, when they get to the higher tier, they will start bragging to their friends how they're on the all access tier from the Alo Yoga, and therefore their friends will also start coming to your website because they also want these benefits that their friend is getting, and therefore you will increase your referral rate. So how many new customers come to you completely for free. So this is something that all the big brands are really doubling down on. It is one of the easiest way that you can make your customers come back, and if you don't spend your money again on Facebook ads, you will just profit more because you will get new customers at a way lower cost, and you will get your customers returning back to you even without sending them emails. So very powerful thing, and I really like how they have structured this page for the clarity, which shows that you should maximize for the clarity, right? So these are the things that you can take from Alo Yoga and apply to your store. They're for a reason a very successful brand, and you should definitely learn from them. And if you have a store and you struggle to scale your Facebook ads, you can reach out to me in the link in the description, and I'll give you advices on your specific case, what you can do in order to maximize your results so that you can scale much more easily. And if you like this video, you will like this playlist in which I break down all these successful stores and what you can take from them in order to maximize your revenue and how much you'll profit from your Shopify store.